Hey, what's up? Jonathan Fink, Sports Card Collectors Club. And this is pack opening 686. We got one pack of 2025 Bowman basketball. Let's rip. So NBA Finals Game 2 tonight, 7:30 in the Midwest, 8:30 Eastern Time. Will the Danhausen curse continue? Or the Danhausen uncurse, however you define it. I'm excited to watch it. Ooh, we pulled a numbered card. And it's the end number 199 out of 199 for Keeleen Smickle out of Maryland. My son and I are friends with Taylor Borovac. She's a softball player for University of Maryland. We really hope that she gets into the college regionals and super regionals and college world series for softball next year. So go Taylor, go. Go Maryland, go. You guys take care. God bless.